sa pelikulang Lumuha, Pati Mga Anghel. Noticed by National Artist for Film Lino Broca as a sensitive performer, she was honed to her plastic perfection in films like Bernal's City After Dark, Marilu Diaz-Abayas' Moral, Loris Dilian's Init sa Magdamag, at Romy Sozana's Sana Bukas Pa Ang Kahapon. However, it was in Broca's Maging Akin Ka Lamang in 1987 where she truly reached her brilliant best, followed by Chito Roño's Narito Ang Puso Ko in 1992. Huli siyang napanood sa Cinemalaya sa Entering Burgos at ang GMA7 teleseryeng Genesis. Mga kaibigan, ang orihinal na Diyosa ng pelikula